So friends, here we are going to clean the winter air cooler, and parallelly we'll see how to change the cooling pad also. So it's a winter eye. So pad looks like this once it is full of dust. So first we'll open the cooling pad. So you have 3 screws to open it. So you have first screw here, and second and third screw is down there with cooling pad. So here you have the second screw, and just opposite of this you will get the third screw. So once screws are removed, you can open your cooling pad with the help of screwdriver, just like this. So the whole body is with snap fit, so you can even press it and easily remove it. So the pad looks like this once it is removed. So similarly, you remove other side pad also. So you have to clean your tank, including these areas, along with your cooling pad. So you have another plate above all of this. You must clean that also. So this is water distribution pad, and it distributes water uniformly to all cooling pad. So this pad can also be removed easily. So there are 3 screws to remove it. So let's remove it. So let's remove this pad completely. So next is cooling pad. So you have 7 screws in both the pads. So first you open all 7 screws. So once you have opened the screws, remove this black plate support. So here you have 3 separate pieces honeycomb cooling pad. So you clean your pads just like this using brush. You can even use detergent powder. So once you open all the pads, it looks like this. So along with your cooling pad, you clean these 2 supportive pads. You can even use your detergent powder to clean it. You clean this bottom cup also. So once you have cleaned your cooler and cooling pad, now assemble the cooling pad. So to assemble the cooling pad, first you align the cooling pad with back plate and bottom cup. So here you can replace your old cooling pad with a new cooling pad, and if you have wood cooling pad, then that also you can replace with honeycomb cooling pad. So once pads are aligned, you place this black frame support firmly. You can even press it in the center. Now tighten all 7 screws one by one. So once your pad is ready, you assemble this pad with the help of a screwdriver. So the entire assembly is snap fit, so it will fit properly. So now your cooler is ready to use. Just you need to tighten 3 screws, 2 bottom side along with your cooling pad and 1 on the top back side of your wire. So now you can use your cooler, fill the water in your water tank and get ready to use it.